What's up guys, it's Banu here from Android.com. Today I want to talk to you guys about something that is very underrated that a lot of people don't really think about when they are trying to pick a new smartphone, and that is fast charging. So let me explain to you guys why fast charging is really important in this video. So if you are new to my channel, smash the subscribe button right now. Let's get started with today's video. Fast charging is one of those things that I always look into when I pick up a smartphone. That has been one of the main reasons that I have been complaining about the iPhone for the longest time, because when it came to the Android competition, they were just putting out fast charging all over the place, and different manufacturers were putting out crazy fast charging speeds. Some phones can even fully charge your phone from 0 to 100 in like 30 to 45 minutes, and that's pretty awesome. And when you consider the iPhone for an example, before the iPhone 11 Pro, that wasn't even possible, but now at least things have changed. With the iPhone 11 Pro, you can fully charge it within like an hour, so that's some good news. Now let me tell you guys about why fast charging is really important and why you guys should consider it to be one of the main factors when you pick up a smartphone. So if you're actually thinking about it, now let's say you buy a phone with a huge battery. If your smartphone's operating system is not optimized for it, no matter how big that battery is, that battery will drain. So the main thing is the software has to be optimized enough to ensure that the battery runs well. The next thing is when you have that huge capacity, you should not have to wait forever until the device is charged. So that is where fast charging comes in. So if you have fast charging on your device, you should be able to get your phone charged up very fast. So now let me share with you guys the experience that I've had. So now let's say before fast charging was a real thing, what I had to do was I had to always make sure that I charge my phone overnight. However, after fast charging was there, and with smartphones coming out with like 45 watts of fast charging and being blazing fast, I have really not charge my phone overnight. So what I do is, instead, when I get up in the morning, I check how much battery I have and I just plug it into the charger and go have a wash. And let's say and once I have breakfast and come back, let's say I come back in another 30 minutes or so, the phone is almost full, or sometimes full in some cases. So I was already ready for my day without having the device always plugged in at night. So that was a nice thing, and that is something that a lot of users should think about. And you know, having fast charging not only wired but wirelessly means you can easily drop in your phone on your wireless charger, whether it's in your vehicle or even when you're at work. That will ensure that you have your device fully charged no matter what. So even after a full day of use, let's say you come back home, your battery is at 50%, you just plug into the charger and you need to go somewhere. So you just plug into the charger, get ready, and by the time you come back, your device might be already there. It might be already fully charged. So you can just take it out and go. You don't really need to even activate any power saving options that are available on your devices. But now, the reason I wanted to make this video is because a lot of people don't really think about fast charging as an important feature. If you really have it on your device, you really need to make sure that you're utilizing this by using the proper adapters for fast charging, as well as the proper accessories to make sure that your device will have longer battery life. Because fast charging, if done incorrectly, can damage your battery. So next time, before you consider a smartphone for buying, just think about the fast charging aspect of it. Even if the device really has a lower battery capacity, if it has really fast charging, that might make up for it. So think about that, and drop a comment down below with your comments and your opinion. I would like to hear what you guys have to say as well. If you guys are new to my channel, smash the subscribe button right now for more awesome tech videos just like this one. And you can follow me on social media. I am at Android, or the links are given down below in the description. Stay tuned to Android.com for the latest from the tech world. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.